Well, a volcano is a geologic feature where underneath the Earth's crust, magma chambers can form. Magma is molten rock. So these pockets of molten rock start building up pressure. And eventually, they can build up enough pressure that they actually break through the Earth's crust and lava can erupt out of the Earth's crust.
Wow, cool. So does this volcano erupt a bunch of lava?
It does. Actually, this volcano is erupting right now.